Hello everybody, I'm just doing a quick update on the log cars. Like I said I was going to do, a little bit day late, but it'll be alright. So here's the shay. Unfortunately, I don't know if it came like it or it just happened, but that little tiny gear, you can see the broke. Oh yeah, you definitely see it broke. Ouch. So I gotta replace that gear, and come on over here, and I gotta replace that gear too because it's broke as well. So I got two broken gears. So this is, it still run, just not as performs good, but it will run. And then what we did to the log cars is on the guy's file, so what we did, we cut the, I guess you want to call it the lips, to make it a couple of boxes fit in there better for the KD parts, and that's it. And then I kind of added his file where I made it to where I cut them off easier so we don't have to sand it and all that stuff, so a lot easier doing that way, and it came out pretty good. We got BBs for weight. I like the idea how that's all open for that, and it gives it a little bit of weight. But I'm not using the shay because it is very, very slow. But yeah,